Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, or to the channel if you're new, and my name's Emma. So yeah, today's video is going to be a video of all the things I've ever sewn for myself. I've been sewing 2017 I think is when I started sewing, and I've made a lot of different pieces for myself. Some I have never worn, some I have worn a lot. Some are like the most picked up on by other people, meaning like I'll wear it and I have so many people comment like, where do you get that? And be like, oh, I mean it. So that's kind of like why I started my channel, because I want you to have that like feel good moment when someone asks you, oh, where'd you get that piece of clothing? And you're like, I made it. So yeah, I've made everything from shirts, dresses, skirts, pants for myself. I've started jumping into more of like rompers and stuff recently, but a lot of those projects are like half finished, but either they'll be coming soon in a video or they were started before I started my channel. So there might be a video down the road of like a video where I just like finish all my half finished projects. Because anyone else, raise your hand in the comments if you start a project, get frustrated with it, put it aside, start a new project, and then completely forget about that other project. And then you look in your closet and you're like, I have like 5 unfinished projects right now. And then you go to the fabric store, buy a new fabric, and then start a project. But yeah, so let's jump into this. I'm gonna warn you, it's kind of cringy and not the best because I don't have quite enough space in my office to like give like head to toe of my body, so it looks a little awkward at times, but bear with me. Maybe one day I can make this look better when I do another update a couple years down the road. But yeah, so let's get into everything I have ever made myself. that's it. I didn't count how many items that was, but it's a lot. We'll just say that. I definitely have kind of changed my taste of what I like to sew for myself over the years. Like, you can definitely tell, like with the few like intersects I put in of like that first dress I made, that's not my style anymore at all. And kind of why I didn't try it on, because it also doesn't fit. But yeah, so yeah, I don't know what else to say. I am very curious though for you to put down in the comments what you made for yourself for the first time. And yeah, I don't know what more to say other than like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram, because that's where I post things usually. Maybe if I get more followers from here on there, I might post more. But yeah, that's everything and my awkwardness for today. I will see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.